Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Aptitude Improvement the M. Patel Way. In this session, we are going to study problems 1 to 25 of chapter 36, that is Moderate Analysis Shorts, part B. Visit www.youtube.com and search Maganlal Patel for more videos. Problem number 1. Find two-digit prime numbers from 10 to 30 having their average a prime number. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. First answer is 11 and 23 and second answer is 17 and 29. Problem number 2. Find three two-digit prime numbers from 30 to 60 having their average a prime number. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The first answer is 31, 37 and 43 and the second answer 47, 53 and 59. Problem number 3. Find four two-digit prime numbers from 30 to 60 having their average 45. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. 37, 41, 43 and 59. Problem number 4. Find five two-digit prime numbers from 30 to 60 having their average a prime number. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. 31, 37, 41, 43 and 53. Problem number 5. You have been given 101 coins out of which 50 are counterfeit. The counterfeit coins differ from the real ones in weight by 1 gram. You have a balance which can show the difference in weights of the objects placed in its two pens. You take a coin randomly and want to ascertain its genuineness only in one payment. How will you do it? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. If you take one coin, you will be left with 100 coins. Divide the coin in two parts of 50 each and see the difference in the weight. If the difference in weight is in even units, then the coin selected at random is real. And if the difference in weight is in odd units, then the coin selected at random is counterfeit. The solution of this problem is explained in concept part. Problem number 6. Arrange 20 cubes in 4 piles using the following clues. 1. All piles contain an even number of cubes. 2. There are twice as many cubes in the first pile as in the second pile. 3. The largest number of cubes is in the first pile. 4. All piles have different number of cubes. And 5. Each pile has at least one cube. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. Let there be 4 piles A, B, C and D. A containing 8 and B containing 4 is the only possibility. C and D can have either 2 and 6 or 6 and 2 respectively. Problem number 7. A grandfather in his will left each of his grandsons as many rupees as he has grandsons and for each of the granddaughters as many rupees as he has granddaughters. He did likewise for his 4 great grandchildren. He willed rupees 441 for all. How many grandsons and granddaughters he has? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The number of grandsons and granddaughters are 5 and 20 or 20 and 5. Problem number 8. You have 3 posts 1, 2 and 3 and 3 discs A, B and C. The discs are of different size, A being largest and C being smallest. The discs are placed as shown in figure 1. Your job is to move the discs as shown in figure 2 by observing the following conditions. One disc can be moved at a time. No disc can cover smaller one. Find least number of moves to be made. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The solution is possible in 7 moves. 1. Put disc C in post 3. 2. Put disc B in post 2. 3. Put disc C in post 2. Naturally, C will be above B. 4. Put disc A in post 3. 5. Put disc C in post 1. 6. Put disc B in post 3. B will be naturally above A. And 7. Put disc C in post 3. C will be above A and B. Problem number 9. There are 6 sections of chain to be joined together to make one circular chain of 29 links. The worker will charge rupees 1 to open a link and rupees 2 to weld it shut. What is the cheapest method? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The money spent will be for 4 openings and 4 joining, that is rupees 12. Problem number 10. You have 27 balls with you. One ball is heavier than the rest which are of the same weight. Locate the heavy ball in 3 weighings. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. Divide the balls into 3 equal groups, that is 9 each. Compare any 2. First comparison will give you the group of 9 balls having heavier ball. Then divide the group having heavier ball in 3 groups. Compare any 2. Second comparison will give you the group of 3 balls having heavier ball. Third comparison will locate the heavier ball naturally. Problem number 11. A T-shaped area is shown here. It is to be divided into 4 parts of the same area as well as shape. How will you do it? How will you divide? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. As shown here, you can divide the area into 4 equal and similar parts. Problem number 12. 8 dice, cubes with 1 to 6 dots, are stacked on the top of each other on a table. You are required to walk around the table and without touching the dice, add up all the numbers that are covered. What is the total? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The sum of dots of hidden faces will be equal to 7 into 8 minus dots on the top face of the top die. Problem number 13. There was a tug of war contest. In the first round, there were 2 dogs and 3 cats and the contest was a draw. In the second round, there were 3 goats and 4 dogs, and again the contest was a draw. The third contest was between 5 cats and 2 goats. Can you predict the result? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. 5 cats will win. Problem number 14. There are 5 boxes. Each box is supposed to have a tag with a decimal number written on it representing the box. Using the clues given below, you are required to find the numbers contained by each of the boxes. One box, the sum of 11.09, 6.21 and 5.04 is to the left of a box with the difference between 13.27 and 1.34. C is not 13.47. One box has 13.47. One box has number larger than the box B by 13.78. The box with a sum of 13.62, 3.98, 7.00 and 0.57 is between B and E. The smallest number is B. The largest is E. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. B equals to 11.93, E equals to 25.71, A equals to 22.34, C equals to 25.17 and D equals to 13.47. Problem number 15. Complete the shown grid such that all 5 columns and rows and both the diagonals contain the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Are you sure there are 2 ways only? Proof. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. 2 answers are shown and there are 2 ways only. Problem number 16. Digits 1, 2 and 3 can be arranged in different ways to form 6 different numbers. Without using pen and paper, find total of the 6 numbers. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The numbers are 123, 132, 213, 231, 312 and 321. Each column will have the digits 1, 2 and 3 twice. The sum of each column will be 12. The sum of 6 numbers naturally will be 1332. Problem number 17. Digits 1, 2, 3 and 4 can be arranged in different ways to form 24 different numbers. Without using pen and paper, find total of 24 numbers. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. Each column will have all the digits 6 times. The total of each column will be 6 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 60. The required sum is 66,660. Problem number 18. The letters A to J are arranged as shown below. The letters represent digits 0 to 9. What are the 3 possible sums? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The 3 possible sums are 777, 888 and 999. Problem number 19. Replace question mark by digits 0 to 9. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. 126 is multiplied by either 81, 86, 91 or 96. Possible answers are 126 into 81 equals to 10,206. 126 multiplied by 86 equals to 10,836. 126 multiplied by 91 equals to 11,466, and 126 multiplied by 96 equals to 12,096. Problem number 20. A palindrome can be read same both forward and backwards. For example, Nayan. What is the minimum number you would need to add to make 72927 a palindrome? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. You need to add 110 and you will get 73,037. Problem number 21. You have been given a 4 into 4 square as shown. In how many ways it can be divided into equal parts by cutting along the lines? There are at least 6 ways. Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See if you can find more ways. Problem number 22. Out of 100 children born in a village, 6 children are twins. What is the percentage of twin births? 3%, less than 3% or more than 3%? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The number of births equal to 94 single plus 3 twins equals to 97. Percentage of twin birth equals to 3.093. Naturally, the percentage of twin birth is more than 3%. Problem number 23. In a village, 3% births give rise to twins. What is the percentage of twin children? 3%, less than 3% or more than 3%? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The number of children born out of 100 births equals to 97 single plus 3 into 2, 6 twins, that is 103. Percentage of twin children equals to 5.825. Naturally, the percentage of twin birth is more than 3%. Problem number 24. In a class, 75% students study physics, 75% study chemistry and 75% study mathematics. What is the minimum percentage of students study all the subjects? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The minimum number of students studying all the subjects is 25%. Problem number 25. There is a circular bus route having 5 stops. How many tickets with different points of origin and destination will be required? Now stop the video and solve the problem. The solution follows. The number of tickets required will be 5 into 4, that is 20. Visit www.youtube.com and search Maganlal Patel for more videos on getting ready for aptitude improvement the MM Patel way.